Welcome to Auroville.com. Today we are sharing a very useful knit kit with organic yarns. It's back to the basics, and we have 10 sweater models for you to knit when you need your quiet time. If there is anything we have learned from this past year, it is to make the most out of being at home. Why not explore a skill that you can do anytime, anywhere? This knitting book has easy-to-follow knitting patterns for cardigans and jumpers exclusively designed by Aura Knits. With organic yarn in 7 colors, you know your creations will be of the highest quality. This organic cotton tape yarn comes packed in a handy little knitting bag and are available in 2 thicknesses, 2mm and 3mm. You can create mindfully, and it allows you to take your hobby anywhere you go. Hand knitting has been practiced for centuries for keeping warm, but with the patterns in this book, you can make airy organic creations that keep you cool even in summer. Our forecast for you: knitting with a high chance of fun. For more information about how you can get your knitting book and organic yarns, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for your support, and please remember to subscribe on your way out.